Welcome to the Average Male Moron channel, where we might get older, but we never actually grow up. I have two packages here from Amazon, and they have the cheapest paddleboard on Amazon available for only $200 a piece. Now, I do have guests staying with me, Airbnb guests, routinely. In fact, my entire summer's booked. So I want to make sure that these paddleboards are going to hold up to the damage that they're going to do to them, as well as perform as an all-around good paddleboard. Let's go ahead and open them up. Now these are the Yaska PB101 paddleboards. They're 10 feet long, 4.7 inches thick. They're supposed to be coming with a hand pump, paddle, things like that. So let's check it out, see what's in there. When I bought them, they were $199. Checking on Amazon today, they are going for a whopping $239. And even during this unique time, I was able to get them in under 2 days, and I live in a pretty remote area, so this might be a good option. Let's find out. And this is the first time I've ever gotten an Amazon package that was already like partway open. A lot of room in there, and here is your Yaska paddleboard box. Let's go ahead and open it up. Every time it's like Christmas. I'm going to put it this way so you guys can see. Inside we have ankle leash. Looks like some sort of dry bag. Has an extra handle, patch. So this is their DWF and PVC material. So you get two patches, cement for the patch, instructions, handle, leash. Put these back in here in the little dry case. You get a pump. Does not look like it has a pressure gauge on this pump, and I know that this goes to 15 psi. Oh wait, there is a pressure gauge, and it is on top of the pump. Adjustable paddle, aluminum. I'm not sure if it floats or not. We'll have to test that out. And here's the stand-up paddle board. And one more item in here. We have a fin. Composite plastic fin. And that is the end of the box. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh look, we have another dry bag. And it didn't even say that it came with this, so this is kind of a surprise. It doesn't feel like a very thick one. Yeah, this is definitely a fairly cheap dry bag, but you know what? I'll take it. Strap for the dry bag. And here you have your 10-foot PB101 paddleboard with instructions. Let's go ahead, go outside, and pump it up. So one of the first things I noticed about this paddleboard, unlike a peak or an aisle, it does not have D-rings here. It's just some of this fabric, just like you'd find in a patch. I think it's this DWF fabric that's holding down where you put your life jacket or dry bag. So that's a little bit of a cause for concern, because this could rip, especially if you leave it pumped up and out in the sun. The side rails are definitely PVC, but the middle of the board does feel a little bit softer, and it does not feel like it has some of that space yarn inside of it that make some of the other boards more rigid, including the ones that you can get at Costco for $279. Those are the Body Glove 11-foot boards. But let's pump it up and find out. And now the pressure gauge is finally catching a reading. Hello, how you doing, Jewel? Yeah. Yep, got a new paddleboard. I'm actually making one of my videos right now, so got this to 15 PSI. Wasn't the easiest, but...
Oh, you have a YouTube channel?
I do.
Hey, buddy. How many subscribers?
A few hundred. Almost 1,000.
I have a YouTube channel.
So we have this up to 15 PSI. Definitely harder to pump up than a Peak or a Body Glove. But let's go test it out. So before we test this out in the water, I want you guys to hear something that is unique to this paddleboard. It sounds very, very, very hollow, but it's also super light, and I'm actually surprised by how durable and comfortable the carrying strap is. So let's throw it in the truck and go test it out. Well, I must say, the one thing about these boards is you're paying for a discounted ab workout and core workout because there is a lack of stability with these, but for 200 bucks, I'd give it 2 thumbs up.
The other day.
Really, the ultimate test for any paddleboard is, will it hold a dog? And right now, yes it will, but it is not that sturdy. You can see that even on the sides, I can wobble it pretty well. If I attempt to stand up, we'll see how far we go before we're taking a little swim. But I still say, for the money, this one's worth it. And you know, actually with more weight on here, with pepperoni on here, it's actually a little bit more sturdy than it was. I'm gonna stay on here, Pepper. You're gonna swim by me. Whoop. Definitely getting a little weight to the left. Here we go. Hey, Pepper, can you lay down? Lay down, sweetie. So these are some extra bonus points. If this board can take me and Pepper, definite bonus points for the Yaska. Oh, 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 oh. And we almost just went in. And we are taking on some water here with only 4.7 inches thick. We're taking on some water, and with Pepper standing up, I think we're about to go for a swim. There you go. That's good, girl. You lay down. And away we go. Yaska, getting some bonus points. Pepper approved. Therefore, average male moron approved. 2 thumbs up. So my one big criticism of this board is how narrow it is. It's only 28 inches wide. If it was just 4 inches wider, so 32 inches, it would have a lot more stability. Pepper here is about an 80-pound dog, and she fills up the entire width of this board. But it is Pepper approved, so it does get extra bonus points for that. So for a quick recap on Amazon's cheapest stand-up paddleboard, I wish that it was this wide, so 4 inches wider. It's 28 inches wide. It really should be 32 inches, but for $200 you can handle 28 inches. The rounded nose doesn't seem to affect it that much. It still has the power to break through eddies, even if it becomes a little bit unstable. I didn't get wet. I tested it for over an hour and I didn't get wet. I even put Pepper on here, an 80-pound dog, and didn't get wet. It's Pepper approved, average male moron approved. The rounded nose doesn't seem to affect its performance that much. It's a very fast paddleboard. Faster even than the Body Glove 11-foot Interceptor, which is being sold at Costco for a similar price. So for $200, I'm gonna give it 2 thumbs up, and you can't go wrong with this paddleboard. If you are looking for something that's gonna suit renters, it's gonna suit you, be a good all-round paddleboard, this one will work. 10 feet long, 4.5 inches thick, and the cheapest one you can buy on Amazon. Like I said, 2 thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time. If you like this video,